tiny creatures that we be can only conceive the vastness of space through love. But what we bring as Homo sapiens to space is love. And we have to be proud of that.
We begin at the beginning. It is the beginning of the universe. In the beginning, we all exist inside one singular, lovely point. You are all one point, as close as you could possibly be. Give your neighbor a good, strong handshake. You may now leave your neighbor and go for a walk in any direction. Explore the point. Like I said, the beginning of time is a lazy time. No concern about transforming into this type of matter or that type of energy. Spread your arms out wide and spin them round like a helicopter. You set off a whole big bed just so you could move like that. You're a strange one, really.
Atoms, particles, and why the sun moves. Less atoms, fake articles, and informational abuse.
I know you like I know infinity, like I know what the universe is made of. I've been waiting for answers, but I know the sun is setting in the west.
And then you can see the DNA floating in solution there. So what you all are drinking now is the DNA of Carl and Herman. This performance is taking place in your small intestine.
We sent this box up into space. The thinking was have an artist paint something, stuff it in the box, send it to space, and show it off here tonight.
I mean, it's a 5-year trip there, so you're going to want to try to get the most you can.